Hey, are you ready to dive into how AI is changing the way we get things done?
Yeah, absolutely. I read this interesting piece by Dasticope about AI, which is all about accomplishing better with AI. It's not just about using AI more, but using it effectively.
Okay, so what exactly is AI? Is it like just another set of AI tools?
Not really, no. It's more like a framework. 12 tools, actually. It helps you to think clearly, collaborate effectively with AI, and scale your impact.
12 tools, huh? That sounds like a lot. How do you even start using something like that?
Well, that's the thing. You don't need to use them all at once. Each tool addresses a specific question in your workflow. Use only what you need for your situation.
So, like, if I'm feeling confused, where should I begin?
According to Dastikop, you should start with tool number one, the outcome clarifier. It helps you figure out what you're really trying to accomplish.
Right, right. So it's about clarity first. But does AI replace the thinking process?
No, not at all. It amplifies it. AI helps reduce the cost of thinking alone, as he puts it. It's more about thinking with AI than just using it as a tool.
Okay, so it sounds like the real benefit is not just speed, but also improved clarity and better thinking, right?
Exactly. It helps you see where your thinking is stuck and make your thoughts visible. That pause for reflection is really valuable. Yeah, AI's most important contribution might just be making thinking less lonely. It's all about having a thinking partner.
That's a great perspective. It's not about replacing us, but helping us to think better and achieve more.